Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the Eskiin Filtered Showerhead, a product that claims to give you glowing skin, shinier hair, and better overall wellness by removing chlorine, heavy metals, and other impurities from your shower water. They even say, imagine your best skin and hair, and promise a full refund within 60 days if you're not happy. But with so many bold claims, we had to dig deeper and see if it actually holds up. At first glance, it sounds great. Who wouldn't want to feel cleaner and healthier just by switching out a shower head? But once you start researching, a few red flags appear. For starters, there's no independent proof backing their claims. They say it meets or exceeds NSF 177 filtration standards, but there's no lab documentation or third-party testing results shared on their website. If it's that effective, why not show the proof? Then there's the issue with reviews. On their website, they say they have over 10,000 five-star reviews. But on Amazon, the same product only has around 118 reviews, and Trustpilot shows just 3. That's a massive difference, and it makes you wonder if the site's review numbers are inflated or even fake. It's also worth noting that buying directly from their website may not be the safest option. Amazon provides buyer protection, while their own site has reports of refund issues, even when people tried returning the product within the promised time frame. One customer said they were denied a refund because the package was opened. Another claimed their card was charged again after canceling, which raises even more concerns. And the listed business address? It's shared with unrelated virtual companies, so we don't even know if it's a real physical office. While some users have seen good results, others say it did absolutely nothing and felt scammed. So, is Eskiin legit or a scam? Honestly, it's a mixed bag. Try it through Amazon if you're curious, but don't expect miracles.